Hi everybody, I'm Richard and today we have a presentation about Billie Eilish. Who is she? Billie Eilish Pirate Bird was born in 2001. She is a well-known American singer and songwriter. She has grown up in Los Angeles and her parents were also musicians. Her elder brother is Finis O'Connell and he is also a songwriter and producer. As a kid began writing and singing in cooperation with Finis at the age of 8. After a while, at age 14, she recorded a song which name was Ocean Eyes and uploaded it to the SoundCloud, an online platform that users can upload their music there and share it to others. This song made her very popular because of her specific style and also amazing voice. After that big success, she released her first album, Don't Smile at Me. This album made positive comments from fans and made her way rise as a star. Her music is popular for its haunting melody and her captivating voice. She has received many awards in her career. Some of them are multiple Grammy Awards. She is also the youngest singer who has been shown on Billboard magazine. The Billboard is a magazine that focuses on music and gives information like music sales, concert tours, and any other information related to music. About Billie's personal style, we can say she mostly wears unconventional clothes, like oversized or colored shirts. She has different beauty standards in clothing. She also speaks easily about her health and, as she once said, suffers from depression. It means she is sometimes upset and don't want to see anybody. In her songs, she talks about these problems with listeners. Billie usually doesn't talk about her romantic relationships, although she has talked about her past boyfriends. She mostly focuses on her own music and career. Well, we got familiar with Billie Eilish. We talked about her parents, her childhood, how she became a popular, the songs, and about her personality. Now we are going to review the new words. At first we said she began writing and singing in cooperation with his brother. When you do something in cooperation with someone, it means you both help each other in that project. For example, Apple made its new phone in cooperation with LG. We learned two new words about music. A haunting melody is a beautiful but often sad melody which stays in your mind and is unforgettable. Most of pop songs which are about love can sound haunting. Not every singer has a captivating voice. Captivating is an adjective that describes a thing or an action which holds your attention. The football match between Real Madrid and Barcelona may be so captivating that you forget eating your meal. Well, can you mention any haunting song or any singer who has a captivating voice? You can comment them under this video. When we say something is unconventional, we mean that is not common nor accepted in society. If you wear jeans without shirt and go to university, You may look so unconventional. On the other hand, it's unconventional again to wear suits and go beach for a sunbathe. The last word was suffer. It means to feel pain. When something gives you an unpleasant feeling, you may suffer from that. I usually suffer from headache when I get cold. Well, you can learn more in our channel. By subscribing, you can learn more, you can see more videos and improve your English by new words and grammar. Thank you all for your attention.